Get immediate access to 50 woodworking plans including a 440-page guidebook absolutely free. Here are only 10 easy and fun woodworking projects for beginners or professionals that are included. Are you interested in woodworking as a hobby, a useful craft to save money or to enjoy working with your hands? Are you looking for household furniture or home and bedroom accessories that will bring your home convenience and comfort that you can build yourself? These awesome and practical woodworking projects are incredible and will allow you to take your woodworking skills to the next level. Some of these DIY projects may require extensive skillful hands, however, that doesn't mean that you can't create and add your instinctive flair to it. There are some fascinating projects that a novice can perform without higher knowledge and skills. We are sharing some hardwood projects for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. These amazing woodworking projects will definitely delight you and you will absolutely love them. Here are 10 woodworking projects that I believe would be fun, easy and useful. Project number 1 is a plant stand. Both practical and attractive, this unique plant would brighten up any corner of your house. Add a ceramic tile top and mount it on a removable tray for easy cleaning and replacement. You can use inexpensive mahogany to build the base, or you can use just about any wood that you choose. The overall size is 16 inches wide by 16 inches deep by 28 inches high. Finish with a clear coat of tung oil varnish and match wood tones to the tile color. Total building time from preparation to finish is 8 to 16 hours. Project number 2 is a magazine rack. Get rid of the clutter of magazines and reading material and place it in one neat package with this compact and highly attractive magazine rack. Built from solid cherry, this rack design accomplishes an airy, modern feeling without sacrificing the look of fine furniture. With careful cutting, you can build it with 2 cherry wood boards. The overall size is 12 inches wide by 14 inches high by 12 inches deep. Brush on a clear topcoat such as Danish oil or leave unfinished to allow tannins in the cherry wood to react with the air and darken the wood naturally. Total building time from preparation to finish is 8 to 15 hours. Project number 3 is a nightstand. Tuck remote controls and reading material away neatly in this compact nightstand. This simple design makes use of a variety of building materials including solid maple and birch plywoods and melamine covered particle board. Most noticeable is the curly maple veneer that spruces up the tabletop and drawer face to create a decorative flair. Although it's designed to be used as a nightstand, it would suit a variety of other purposes, such as an end table or a telephone table. The overall size is 18 inches deep by 20 inches wide by 26 inches high. Apply 3 coats of polyurethane varnish, Danish oil or tung oil. The total building time from preparation to finish is 10 to 15 hours. Project number 4 is a wall-hung coat rack. Hang your coats up in style on this arts and crafts inspired wall-mounted coat rack. The flat top even provides a place for gloves and keys. You can build this coat rack from red oak, but you could use quarter-sawn white oak to make the project even more authentically arts and crafts. The overall size is 32 inches long by 10 3/4 inches high by 8 inches deep. Finish with stain and varnish. Total building time from preparation to finish is 3 to 4 hours. Project number 5 is a mantel clock. Though mantel clocks are one of the oldest clock types, this one is sized to fit neatly on a hearth. But you don't need a fireplace for an excuse to build this heirloom quality project. Its compact size will be equally attractive on a bookshelf or a side table. Made of cherry, this design features a split-frame glass panel to highlight the brass pendulum and clock face as well as the elegant crown and base that you can easily make. The overall size is approximately 8 inches wide by 14 inches high by 4 inches deep. Use wipe on tung oil to enrich the natural wood tones and grain of the cherry. A brass clock face and movement mechanism can be purchased at hobby shops or specialty stores. The total building time from preparation to finish is 12 to 16 hours. Project number 6 is an inlaid tea tray. Build this generously sized serving tray designed to impress your guests and cut down on the number of trips you make to the kitchen. The fingered joined corners are attractive as well as sturdy, and the decorative veneer inlets add a sophisticated touch. The overall size is 17 inches wide by 3 inches high by 24 inches long. Finish with satin tung oil or polyurethane. The total building time from preparation to finish is 10 to 13 hours. Project number 7 is a spice shelf. Get those jars of spices and seasoning out of a dark cupboard and onto this handsome oak spice holder. The two lower shelves are designed to accommodate full-sized shakers, while the top shelf stores taller containers and bottles. Chamfered back slats and lap-jointed front rails lend a fine woodworking air to this deceptively simple piece. The overall size is 14 inches wide by 22 inches high by 4 inches deep. Finish with Danish oil. The total building time from preparation to finish is 6 to 8 hours. These are all fun and interesting projects, but let's not forget about the kids. Show your kids some love with these next 3 projects. Project number 8 is a kid-sized picnic table. Children are sure to enjoy this piece of picnic furniture built especially for them. Made of cedar, this project is sized so that 4 children can sit comfortably. Whether you put the table outdoors or bring it inside, it may well become the kids' favorite spot for lunch and dinner. And with no sharp corners or freestanding tippy benches to cause injuries, you will rest easily too. The overall size is 44 inches wide by 26 inches high by 48 inches long. Sand all exposed surfaces with 150 grit sandpaper to a smooth finish. The total building time from preparation to finish is 4 to 6 hours. Project number 9 is a kid's basic bookcase. Good quality prefabricated bookcases are tough to come by for less than $100. Spend a fraction of that amount on materials for this project and you can construct a bookcase that will last for years. This low-standing bookcase is just the right height for kids, but it is also sturdy and a practical addition to any room in the house. It can be built from one sheet of paint-grade plywood in an afternoon. Made of birch plywood, the overall size is 32 inches long by 32 inches high by 11 inches deep. Prime and paint with bright lead-free paint to match your children's taste. The total building time from preparation to finish is 4 to 5 hours. Project number 10 is a kid's schoolhouse desk. Long before there were classrooms equipped with computers and internet access, there were one-room schoolhouses outfitted with a chalkboard and rows of single-unit desks. These desks recall a simpler era when children needed a sturdy surface to practice their reading, writing and arithmetic. Today, a desk like this still functions for doing schoolwork at home, but kids will also find it the perfect place to color, draw or paint. There is also a shelf below to store supplies. Best of all, the whole project can be made from a single sheet of 4 foot by 8 foot plywood. Made of birch plywood, the overall size is 26 inches wide by 34 inches long by 26 inches high. Prime and paint with bright lead-free paint to match your children's taste. The total building time from preparation to finish is 4 to 6 hours. You can receive 100% free these 10 awesome and fun projects that are part of 50 woodworking project plans that also include step-by-step instructions, tips, techniques and a video, along with a 440-page guidebook. Click the link below, enter your email and we will send your free 50 woodworking plans and your 440-page guidebook by email within 24 hours.